Good morning, y'all. We got breaking news. In a 3-1 decision, the Federal Appeals Court ruled against the Dump administration on the appointment of Alina Habba as interim U.S. attorney. Honey, they ruled that she is to remain disqualified as U.S. attorney. Y'all go ahead and grab your tea and have a seat. Let's get into it. So this morning, the Federal Appeals Court found that Alina Habba, who used to be Dump's personal attorney, is serving unlawfully as the U.S. Attorney of New Jersey, and this is a big legal blow to the Dump administration that could have far-reaching consequences on other appointments across the country. A panel of 3 appellate judges with the 3rd U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals upheld the lower court's decision, finding that the administration definitely violated the law, per usual, when it used a series of maneuvers to install Habba in the position after she failed to win the Senate support. They wrote in their opinion, under the government's delegation theory, Habba may avoid the gauntlet of presidential appointment and Senate confirmation and serve as a de facto U.S. attorney. However, the view is so broad that it bypasses the constitutional appointment Senate confirmation process entirely. And this is pretty much the same law-breaking rule book that they followed when they appointed Dump's crackerjack box U.S. attorney from the GED section, Lindsay Halligan. Alina Habba was the similar situation, as the 120-day clock for interim appointments was set to expire, and it was clear that the district court was not going to appoint Alina Habba's ass. She went ahead and resigned, and then Pam Bondi stepped in and named her as the special attorney and designated her as the first assistant U.S. attorney. She then delegated Habba the authority of the U.S. attorney. So they went and skirted all around the law, as they always do, and the court is not having that shit and went ahead and said, look, you disqualified at the lower court and did the same thing at the appeals court. So I'm pretty sure they're going to take this to the Supreme Court. So it's going to be very interesting to see how it plays out. Alina Habba still hasn't left that seat and putting every single case that she puts forth in jeopardy, because according to this, she is disqualified. But you all put your thoughts in the comments. Why do y'all think that they don't want their U.S. attorneys to go through the Senate confirmation process? Because this all could have been skirted if she could have, made it through the Senate process. What's up with Alina? Why she can't make it through the Senate process? I know Lindsay Halligan, they needed her to hurry up and get in because of the statute of limitations. But Alina Habba, baby, you got time. So why didn't they do it that way? Because they know the Senate ain't having that shit. Y'all go ahead and put your thoughts in the comments. It's Double D Mo for the Black Renew.